Okay, so if you're a creator, you know this feeling all too well. You pour hours into a piece of content, you hit publish, and then crickets. Well, we're going to fix that for good. In the next few minutes, we're breaking down the entire framework to turn your AI into a scroll-stopping, attention-grabbing machine.
All right, let's just get right to it with a truth that might actually surprise you. Your content, your insights, your value, that stuff is probably not the problem. The real thing holding you back from the audience you deserve, well, it's something else entirely. Yeah, it's a hook problem. That very first sentence, that one single line decides everything. If it doesn't instantly grab someone's attention, all that brilliant content you made just becomes invisible, totally lost in the noise. The stakes couldn't be higher. You get 3 seconds. That's it. That is the entire window you get to earn someone's attention in a crowded feed. Just 3 seconds to stop their thumb from moving, and if your hook doesn't work in that tiny, tiny window, your post is toast. Gone. So, what's the game plan? Well, look, we're not just talking theory here. You're getting 6 proven, psychology-based hook frameworks. And the best part? For each one, we're giving you a copy and paste AI prompt and real examples you can use today on any platform you can think of, from LinkedIn to TikTok. All right, let's dive into our first section, disrupt and deliver. The whole idea here is simple, but trust me, it's super powerful. We're going to break through the noise in 2 ways, either by challenging what your audience thinks they know or by giving them immediate, undeniable value.
First up, the controversial opinion. So how this works is you find a belief your audience just assumes is true, and you flip it completely on its head. It's designed to jolt them out of their mindless scroll and really make them pay attention. Boom. That creates instant tension, right? It makes you stop and go, wait, what? I gotta hear this argument. It immediately sets you up as someone with a bold, confident take that cuts right through all the usual chatter. So let's get into the psychology of why this works. It's all about something called a pattern interrupt. You know, when we scroll on social media, our brains are basically on autopilot, just expecting the same old thing. By hitting them with a sharp contradiction, you shatter that pattern. It triggers this jolt of curiosity, and that powerful force is what stops the scroll. And to create these yourself, the exact AI prompt you need is right there on your screen. Okay, moving on to hook number 2. This one takes a totally different approach. The how-to value hook isn't about stirring the pot. It's all about being insanely useful, and I mean fast. It makes an immediate promise of value. I mean, this example is just brilliant. It promises a super clear, tangible result that solves a huge pain point for creators. That specificity, 25 pieces, 5 minutes, makes it feel like a high-value tool, not just some random post. And what does this do? It massively boosts your dwell time, which then tells the algorithm, hey, show this to more people. Okay, so we've covered disrupting patterns and delivering instant value. Now, for our next section, intrigue and identify, we're going to shift gears a little bit. These next 2 hooks are absolute masters at pulling the reader in, sparking some serious curiosity, and making your content feel intensely personal. Next up, a true classic from every storyteller's playbook, the open loop. This is a powerful technique where you drop someone right into the middle of the action, creating this psychological tension that their brain just feels compelled to resolve. I mean, come on, how can you not want to know what happens next? This is a masterclass in creating an open loop. It totally hijacks our natural desire for closure and makes clicking see more feel completely involuntary. You just feel this pull. You have to know the rest of the story. And here's the science behind why this is so crazy effective. Our brains are literally hardwired to seek closure. We can't stand an unfinished story. So when you open a loop, you're creating this little psychological itch that the reader just has to scratch by finishing. It's an incredibly effective driver for engagement. And hey, that prompt on your screen, it's going to help you craft these perfectly. All right, hook number 4 is the specific audience callout. Instead of trying to talk to everybody, you zone in on one exact group. This makes your target person feel like, whoa, they're talking directly to me. It's such a powerful way to build an instant connection. Look how direct this is. If you're not an HR leader, you just keep scrolling. No big deal. But if you are one, this message feels urgent and incredibly personal. It cuts through all the noise and creates an immediate sense of relevance, making them pay very close attention to whatever you say next. Okay, on to our final section, simplify and warn. And these last 2 hooks, wow, they are so powerful because they tap into 2 really deep psychological triggers: our brain's love for simple, clear images, and our powerful, almost primal fear of making a mistake.
So hook number 5 is the visual metaphor. This technique takes a really complex, abstract idea and turns it into a simple, vivid image that people can instantly get, making your whole point way easier to understand and, honestly, way more memorable. Ah, I love this one. In just one sentence, you instantly get the danger, the foolishness of having this powerful tool without the right foundation. This makes the idea stick in the reader's mind, and it becomes super shareable. People will remember that image long after they've scrolled away.
And that brings us to our final hook, number 6, the negative or the warning. And this one taps into something that's often even more powerful than promising a huge win. So this all boils down to a super powerful cognitive bias called loss aversion. Basically, the pain of losing 20 bucks feels way, way worse than the joy of finding 20 bucks. We're just wired to avoid pain more than we seek out pleasure. So, framing your advice as a warning taps directly into this, creating urgency and making you look like a trusted guide. And there you have it, 6 psychologically backed frameworks to command attention. This is your new playbook. Because, let's be real, in the content game, everything, and I mean absolutely everything, starts and ends with the hook. So let's just be crystal clear on why this is so important. Your hooks, they decide your reach, they decide your engagement, and yep, they decide your visibility. Period. Mastering the hook isn't just a nice to have, it's the absolute foundation of all your content's performance. So, now you have the playbook. You've got the frameworks, you've got the AI prompts, you've got everything you need to create scroll-stopping content whenever you want. The only real question left is, which one are you going to use first?